Hi all. Today we are going to talk about ankylosing. Tongue is an important structure in the oral cavity that aids in speech, the position of the dentition, nursing, nutrition, etc. Ankylosing, also known as tongue tie, is a congenital condition in which there is a abnormal lingual frenulum. Lingual frenulum, it's a thick tissue that is present beneath the tongue, which in case of ankylosing looks abnormally thick, short and tight that restricts our tongue movement. Ankylosing is usually characterized by partial or total fusion of the tongue to that of the floor of the mouth. Lingual frenulum has a vital role in stabilizing the tongue without interfering with that of the tongue movement. In ankylosing cases, the lingual frenulum will be anteriorly attached that will cause visual adhesion of the tongue with that of the floor of the mouth. There are different classification systems that have been devised to assess the severity of ankylosing. One such important classification is that of Code-Law classification system. This Code-Law classification system assesses the free tongue length and it assesses from the frenulum attachment to that of the tip of the tongue. And it classifies the free tongue length as normal, mild, moderate, severe, complete. Normal is the length will be greater than 16 mm, and then for mild it will be between 12 to 16 mm, and in case of moderate it will be 8 to 11 mm. In case of severe it will be 3 to 7 mm, and in case of complete it will be less than 3 mm. Now we can talk about the incidence of ankylosing. The incidence of ankylosing varies widely, but more prevalence is seen among men rather than in women. Ankylosing is also associated with various syndromes like Beckwith-Weiderman syndrome, Oppitz syndrome, orofacial digital syndrome, etc. Next, we can move on to the clinical features of ankylosing. These are the features by which we can identify an ankylosing case. Here, we will see heart-shaped tongue on protrusion, and there will be a notch on the tip of the tongue. While protruding the tongue, we can see that the tongue curled backwards, and also while breastfeeding, there may be nipple trauma, inadequate seal, inadequate suckling force, and also there will be difficulty in producing labiodental sounds like L, S, etc. There are various treatment methods for ankylosing like craniotomy, cranectomy, and laser cranectomy. Thank you.